Quick video. Here's the house. Here we see just this pyramid in the background. At the same time, we can see the crown. When we see the crown, we see two pyramids over here, one here and one over here. So I'm thinking, what is 3? 3 can be a cone. You roll it up into a cone. I'm not sure if I did this right. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I folded in the peak to have 5 sides. Hold it in the peak to have 5 sides. We're going to just get rid of that. I don't really know where I'm going with this hexagon, and at the same time we all know it's a crown. Did we see that in the last video? That this is also a crown. The only thing missing is that part over here. And now we have the crown, same bottom. We've seen this before. Can we have a sailboat? We have a crown. Star of David. We have the cone. We're going to throw all this out right now. We're going to get on to something else that we've done in a previous video today. And it's about the alignment of the numbers. We can start at 1, and that's where I'm starting in these videos. And we can also start at different levels of 1. We can work ourselves up until we get to 36 one cycle, until we get to 72 the next cycle. 72 is 1 part, or 720 parts of our day, depending on how you want to associate things. So right now I'm associating it as basic numbers. And let me take this off over here and show you, and I've done this before. We count A, F, K, P, U, and Z. And it's an obligation, because what I'm actually doing is I'm going 1 through 5, 1 through 5, 1 through 5, 1 through 5. The 6th letter will be the first letter. The 11th letter will be the first letter. Level 3, it's K. Level 4, it's P, which is actually 7 in the 4th level. And letter E is U, which is actually 3. EC, 7-4, 3-2, beta creation, 2-6, the bee's nest, 2 and 6, no black keys. I think I made a little mistake. We're this area and this area. Here is 2F. Okay, so we got area 2. Okay, we have F, that position. Area 3. We have L, which is 3. We have G, which is 2. So inside the first house, we have 2. Inside the first house, the first 2, 1 and 2 are opposites of each other, where 1 position and 2 position are on the cube. Here's another one. So what I'm going to do is, I went 1, another 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. 1 plus 5 is F, then 11, then 16, then 21. I did this wrong in the last video. I marked 22. When it's 21, it's 8127. Red, Venus. God, Half-Life. 11, Jail. 91, start off with Spirit. Inside the house of birth, Venus. Now we continue on with A. Why do I continue on with A? Because I've arrived at 6, 2nd level. So now I go 6, 11. I'm just continuing on this. 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. I forgot to say 1 over here. Hold on, this is a little mixed up. No, it's not mixed up. I'm just showing this on level 2. As I came down to E, I decided to extend it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just like 2 sides to the dice cube. The 1 is opposite of the 6. 6 and 6 will create this level. So in the 1 position, in the A row, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the A row, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I reached 31 in the A row, where I've only reached 27 in the B row. C, D, E. When I get to E, A and E now come together. A and E now come together. Where it's 31 and 30. The church. It is the day of creation of AC. I am. Love. When we get to D, we count to the birth. When we count the C, we count 28. Time, heaven. In the red sun, through the gateway of life. Alpha, beta creation through the gates. When we come to G, which is number 13, we now repeat B. So your G gateway is now repeating in the B house. And this is when you're counting 1 through 5. If there's something you don't understand, I'll help you. And the funny thing over here is, I'm not sure if I've seen this before. I just have to look on my keyboard. No, it's not here. Jyoti. I was looking for QWERTY. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25th letter. 5, 1, 6, 2, 7. Now we are on level number 2. Here we count through 6. A, G, M, S, Y. So now we're on the next level. We're counting through 6. So the next level of this will be G. I will count G on the next level. Did I do this already? So we're going to count G on the next level. I did it over here. Okay, we're going to finish it off this one. This one is the next row. We go A through F. This is just like the cube. And what we do is A, B, C, D, E, F. And this is the reverse. F is the reverse. The next row of A is G. The next row of G is M. The next row of M is S. The next row is Y. In the spirit of creation of earth, alpha, beta, creation, I am, creator, the gateway, and the spirit. And remember why? Oh, yes, because there were 5 in a row here and 5 in a row here and 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, fee, fi, fo, fum. The one thing here is, if you notice, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 6 and 24. 2 and 4 is 6, 18. So we lock it up over here. We lock up this and we lock up this. 12 and 30 equals to your 42. 12 and 30 is 42 or 18. 24, 18 reverse. So they're perfect. This is creation, birth. These two together create the moon. This one and this one, 56 creates 11, creates alpha, beta. Your 11 tells me I'm in jail or visiting jail. I'm just thinking of all the things, and this tells me where am I? V and W, 4 and 5, so through the sun and the half-life and the gateway. And this is J, this is I. This is I, this is 10, this is number 10, which equals again to the half-life, as well as my DNA, because all zeros will equal to 6, and sometimes 4, depending on the situation, and it has to be discussed. And then through the sun, D and E, 57. D and C, I am who I am. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue on G, which is the second level of A. We're going to bring it up one more row, and we're going to put 6 in this row, because we put 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 5 in the row. So I should only put 5 in the row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should have stopped actually over here, which would make this 101. Is that 5? Is that what it was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what we're going to do. And then this one shouldn't have been 38. It should have been, do I have this right? 98, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 68. Okay, but over here we're actually not going to count the 38, 32, 58, 68, 78, 88, 92, 100. Okay, I added them all up. 95 in G, telling me earth, spirit. I am in the gateway. 132 is on the other side, ABC. 100, 814 DNA. Church, birth, Mars, cube, red, mass creation of I am. So anyways, when we get to number 27 red, when we get to 76, this becomes the half-life and the cycle of life. 110, the Twin Towers in DC. It's only supposed to be 4 numbers. The 5th number would give me 34. It's only supposed to be 4 numbers. The 5th number would give me 35. The pigs. EC, Electric Company, is your birth, beta creation of 11. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 will be that 11. 2, 2, 8, the cycle of the moon. This will also be number 6. Okay, telling me about Venus, telling me about Mars, transition. This will give me a total of 80. Communication, split of the gateway. All zeros equal 6. If it equaled to 4, I would have the sun of Pluto. 3, 9, 6, 3, 9. My cycle. In number 12, 1 and 2 is 3. 3, then 9. That means L and I come together. Skies of Saturn. This is the story. The last piece I want to bring in is Einstein Neptune 1776. 283928. I'm going to do this in another video. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.